Guys, I'm Rudy and today I'm gonna teach you how to create heading page in Elementor with RTMKIT. But first of all, you need to install RTMKIT in the plugin. Add plugin and search RTMKIT and activate it. Install and activate it. You create page and edit with Elementor, and you go to the icon of RTMKIT and go to wireframe. In here there is an heading page. You can install it the first option, import it. Here's the first option, and you can install it also. Wireframe and heading page. There is a third option, import it. Here's the third option. You can edit it, change the name. You can change the picture as well. In here, in style, you can change it. And like in here, there is heading, there's a breadcrumb. You can change the style of the breadcrumb, style 1, style 2, style 3, style 1. You can show icon or not show icon. Then there is a style wireframe, heading page. Here's a second option. Here's the set of the container, breadcrumb, heading, and the container. And here's a container. You can change it. Here, you can change it in the style, the image itself. And there is a first option, heading page. Here, this breadcrumb, heading, and text editor. And the container, you can change it on the style also, change the image. So if you want to have heading page layout, make sure that install RTMKit. Thank you. Sure that